In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a column in Google Sheets. This is an essential skill to ensure your data is organized and easy to understand. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet where the data is located. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, find the sheet that contains the information you're working with. The layout should be familiar if you've used spreadsheets before. Now, let's focus on renaming a column. Locate the header of the first column you want to change. In this example, we're going to update column A's header. Click directly on the cell that currently reads Student Name. This will select that cell, allowing us to make changes. Once selected, you'll want to replace Student Name with your desired new column name, which is Name in our case. After typing in the new name, press the Enter key. This will save your changes automatically. Next, let's change the header of column B. Start by clicking on the first cell in the column that reads Class. Similar to what we did with the first column, you will erase Class and type in Level. Make sure you're comfortable with your choice before hitting Enter again to record this change. Once you've completed that, move on to column C. Click on the cell that says Year Level. This time, we're also going to change the name to Level. Once again, type the new name neatly and hit Enter. It's important to hit Enter after each rename to ensure that your data is updated correctly. Finally, the last column we'll update is column D. Select the cell containing Enrollment Month. As with the previous steps, highlight the current text and replace it with the new header, Month of Enrollment. This new name will provide much clearer data understanding. Remember to press Enter after updating this entry. Renaming columns can be crucial in maintaining organized data sheets, especially when collaborating with others. It makes your data more intuitive and can help collaborators quickly understand what they're looking at. Always be careful and double-check your spelling and formatting for consistency across your document. There you have it, a straightforward way to rename columns in Google Sheets. Now you're ready to manage your sheets with greater clarity and precision. Feel free to pause and go back if any steps were unclear, and remember that the process can be applied to any header row you'd like to edit. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Happy organizing!